Hello, my name is Darshit Singra and I am a student of Polaris School of Technology, Bangalore, and this is my task on submission video of Liquid Galaxy prerequisite tasks. So our first app is Satnox, which was made by Michael Alquera, and it is an app which helps us visualize satellites and ground stations on Google Earth. So as you can see, I can click simulate and it will show us our satellite, and as you can see all our three rigs are perfectly in sync. Now let's see a ground station. So as you can see, it will now show us our ground station. So now moving on to our second app. So this is our second app, Liquid Galaxy Controller, which was made by Shreyas Ravichandran. It is a basic app to let users navigate through Google Earth and other planets such as Mars or Moon. So let's hit Moon and it will show us the map of Moon. Now when we click on Mars, it will take us to Mars. So yeah, now let's move on to our third app. So this is our third app, which is Smart City Dashboard, made by Prayag Biswas. It shows us data related to various cities such as New York. So let's move on to New York, and yeah, here we are. So let me hit play orbit. So as you can see, both the Google Maps and Smart City Dashboard are in perfect sync. Now let's move on to our fourth app. So this is our fourth app, which is La Palma Volcano Tracker, which was made by Yashraj Bharti. It shows us data of La Palma volcano and its area affected. So let's see it on our map. So as you can see, it shows us the data. This was it for my task on submission video of prerequisite tasks, and I look forward to contribute and working in Liquid Galaxy.
Hi, I am Ayush Kumar. This is video submission for the task 1 of Liquid Galaxy GSoC 2025. You can see the laptop screen behind me. Now I am moving to the laptop screen for the demo of the app. So as you can see, I have already set up these 3 virtual machines. This middle one is LG1, this is LG2, and this is LG3. These are slaves and middle one is master. And here one window is for emulator. So I have used Google Pixel 7 Pro for my emulator. So in the emulator I have also set up the satellite navigation tool and already connected it to my rig. So first of all, we can see that our rig is connected properly and all 3 windows, all 3 virtual machines are properly synced with each other. So as you can look on the screen. Then let's test the app. So let me visualize some satellite on the rig. So it looks great. So we can visualize things using the app. We can control our rig using the app. There are more controls through the app, like from here we can control more things. So this is my task 1. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Prashant Tanti. I'm an undergrad student here in Polaris School of Technology, Bangalore, and this is my task 1 for preliminary task of Liquid Galaxy GSoC 2025. So this is my Liquid Galaxy setup. As you can see, all the 3 rigs are completely in sync and there seems to be no kind of issue or lag. I'll be using the Android Studio emulator to emulate the SatNox app and connect it to the Liquid Galaxy rig. Now I'll be showcasing the SatNox visualization tool made by Michael Elguera. It's an app that helps us visualize satellites and ground stations and also visualize their orbits in the Liquid Galaxy rig. So let's try to visualize one of the satellites. As you can see, it's working completely fine. Now let's also try to simulate its path. And let's check its orbit. As you can see, it's working completely fine. Here we are also getting the data about the satellite. Now let's try one of the ground stations. As you can see, it's working completely fine. Let's also orbit. Everything seems to be completely fine. This is it for my task 1 video for Liquid Galaxy Preliminary Task GSoC 2025. I am looking forward to contributing more as time goes on. I hope to be a part of your organization someday, and a very big thank you for the opportunity.
Hello everyone and welcome to my video. I'm Mohammed Salim, a computer engineering student at the American University in Cairo. This is the first time for me to apply for Liquid Galaxy project. I'm really excited and hopefully I will get accepted. As you can see here is the emulator and the rig running on my laptop. They are all in sync. Okay. I will show you a better angle, so stay with me. As you can see, everything is working properly, and here I'm emulating this mobile phone, Pixel 6a. As you can see, here is the name, of course with the right dimensions as required. Now I will run the SAT visualizer. Let's first search for satellites. Since I'm Egyptian, I will search for EgyptSat. Click on View in Galaxy. Here is EgyptSat. Here is the logo on the left and the details on right. Okay, let's click on emulate and increase the orbit period. Yes, it's working. Now let's check ground stations as well. And let's orbit as well. Now I will go to Tools and relaunch the rig. I will click on the relaunch button. Of course we can do this using LG relaunch, but this one is easier. It's relaunching now. Finally, let's check the IP used for connection using this command, ifconfig. And go to connection. Yes, it's the same IP as you can see. And that's it. Thank you. Hope you enjoy.
Anya, and I am an undergraduate student of Polaris School of Technology, and this is my task 1 submission for the preliminary task of Liquid Galaxy. So here you can see my 3 VMs are in sync and there is no lag here. So this is the settings for the SatNox. Here we have connected our LG here, and on the LG rigs. Here you can see the logo that it is connected. Purpose of SatNav's app is to visualize satellites and ground stations, and here on the Liquid Galaxy, on this ring we'll be able to see them. This was found by Michael Algray. Now let's simulate a satellite and show you. So here you are getting the orbit or the ring for the satellite here, and if we move to ground station here, okay, here you can see that the ground station is located here. So by this you can see there is no issue with the LG, neither with our SatNavs, and it's getting connected properly. That wraps up my work for the task 1, and I would love to be a part of this or and continue working on this, and it's quite fun honestly, and I'm excited to be a part of you guys. Thank you so much.
Dear Liquid Galaxy member, I am Sanjay Saw, BTech Computer Science second year student, and this is my demo video of task 1. As you can see, this is my Liquid Galaxy rig. This is my master VM, this is my first slave VM, and this is my second slave VM, and this is my mobile emulator. On this I'll be showing the demo of the application. So I'll be opening that. And I'll be choosing Transit 5B satellite. And as I click on view in Galaxy, the line will disappear for a few seconds and it will again come back in different latitude or longitude. And also I want to say that my Liquid Galaxy rig is in complete sync. As if I zoom in, it will not synchronize, or it will not lose its synchronizability. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Devyans and I'm a developer from India, and this is my video submission for task 1 of the pre-requirement tasks for Google Summer of Code 2025 in Liquid Galaxy. And in this video we'll be basically running an LG rig on 3 VirtualBox VMs and controlling it via the Android app. And this is my setup. The Android app is running here on the laptop screen and the LG rig is running here on the monitor. So let's start the demo. So this is how the setup looks like. This is my LG rig. As you can see, it is working. And here is the VirtualBox and here is the Android app. So the Android app currently is running on my physical Pixel 6a, which I have mirrored, and I am also controlling it remotely. And to do this, what I have done is basically, instead of a NAT, I have set up a bridged adapter so that my physical device is able to access the LG's IP addresses. So yeah, we'll just walk through a quick demo of how the app functions and how we're controlling the rig. So in the settings, I have configured the connection, which is basically the username, the password, the IP and the port, and it says connected here. And in the Liquid Galaxy tabs we have some admin like controls, which is relaunch, reboot, power off, clear KMLs and all that stuff. Here we have all the satellites that are currently available, and so for the purpose of this demo, let's take this one. And I've clicked on it, and now as you can see, the Liquid Galaxy is navigating and it is also showing us the path and the satellite, and we can clearly see the path of the satellite as well. and we'll also take one ground station. So I think we'll go with this one, which is the Apo Mehan. And now it will navigate us to those specific latitude and longitude. As you can see, this is our ground station, and this was the demo. This was done on the SatNox app created by Michelle, and this was the demo from my side. This is the Brand School Twist signing off. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Saad Khan. I'm currently in my final year of undergraduation, and I like to develop apps and explore new technologies. So this is my task 1 entry for the GSoC 2025 pre-requirements for the Liquid Galaxy organization. As you can see, my Liquid Galaxy rig is up and running, and I've also installed a Android emulator, which is currently running the Google Pixel 6 API 33, and I've installed the SAT NOGS application to visualize it in the Liquid Galaxy. So I'll open the application and I'll demonstrate by sending a few KML files. So let me open the application, and as you can see, the rig is up and running. It works completely fine. So the application is open, and I'll need to check my connection. Yes, it is connected. And if I'll click on view in Galaxy, you can see that the KML files are being activated, and it shows the path of the satellite. I can also select this one, and it changes to another one. So I can also select on show simulation to simulate the whole trajectory, which I'll show you. Wait, I'll click on, so it will basically start a simulation. So yeah, this is my Liquid Galaxy rig and my entry for task 1. Thank you.
Alright, hello everyone, this is my video for the implementation of Liquid Galaxy, and this is me right here. My name is Takat Kumar, and I will be implementing task 1. So let's get started. Firstly, as you can see, this rig right here is working properly, and that's that. Now for the emulator that I have right here, I'm using Pixel 6, as you can see here clearly. Let me just, yeah, this right here, hiding behind the scenes. I'll just open it right here, and it's already connected. As you can see, the logos have come, and let us just test. This is due for this one. Yeah, let me just drag it down a little bit. As you can see, it is showing right properly along with the name on the second VM, and here is the logo. Alright, let me do just for one more. Let's do this one. As you can see, it got updated to less1 that we selected right here, and that shows that it's working properly. Now let us clear it all. Yep, excellent. So that would be all, and let me just power off and shut it down now. Yes, as you can see, the all turning off properly. Yep, and that would be it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Rajat Kriplani and I am a psychology major student. I am pursuing my psychology honors from Indira Gandhi National Open Institute, and this is my submission video for task 1 of Liquid Galaxy GSoC 2025. And now let's have a look at the task. Okay, so yeah, let's begin with the testing. And it was mentioned to create three virtual machine on VirtualBox. I have created them LG1, 2, and 3. LG1 is the master machine, and 2 and 3 are peripherals. Let's see if they are working properly, seamlessly, and we will check it here. As I am zooming in on LG1, it is also zooming in on the peripheral machine, and as I am dragging, it is also dragging on both the machine. You can see the edges here. It is working fine, and on also on this machine, also on this screen. So yeah, it is working fine. And now to check the functionality even further, we will use an app on an Android emulator. Here is the app. Let me show you from the beginning what the app is. The app is SatNox. Here it is. So what this app does is show you the orbit of satellite transmitter and space stations. And for example, if we want to see the orbit of LES-1 satellite, I will just simply click in View in Galaxy, and here it will show me the satellite here. The satellite is here, and if I further click on simulate, it will simulate the orbit. The satellite has started moving, and yeah, it will just show how it orbits around our planet Earth. And by this we can simply say that our test is working fine and Liquid Galaxy is working fine on our screen.